Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 31st December. Let's start. In the year of 1600, on this day the British East India Company was established. In the year of 1691, on this day Robert Boyle, the world's famous physicist and chemist, passed away. He discovered the famous Boyle's law. It is the pressure and volume of a gas are inversely related. If the temperature remains constant, the volume increases, then the pressure decreases, and vice versa. Its mathematical formula is equals to PV equals to K if P proportional to 1 upon V. In the year of 1738, on this day, Lord Cornwallis, Governor General of the Fort William Presidency, was born. In the year of 1781, on this day, the first Bank of North America, was opened in America. In the year of 1802, on this day, the Maratha Peshwa Bajirao II came under the protection of the British and the Treaty of Versailles was signed between them. In the year of 1827, on this day, Britain's inventor John Walker invented the match. In the year of 1857, on this day, Queen Victoria made Ottawa the capital of Canada. In the year of 1898, on this day, Krishna Vallabh Sahai, the Chief Minister of Bihar and freedom fighter, was born. He was a member of Constituent Assembly. He was the architect of the abolition of Jamindari system in Bihar. He made a law for the abolition of Jamindari system is Bihar Act 1950. In the year of 1911, on this day, Marie Curie received her second Nobel Prize for in the field of chemistry. She became the first person to receive the Nobel Prize twice. In the year of 1925, on this day, Sri Lal Shukla, a Hindi writer famous for satire, was born. In the year of 1929, on this day, Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted the Indian flag on the banks of the Ravi River in Lahore. Congress asked the people to India to celebrate 26 January as Independence Day and decided to fight for Purna Swaraj. In the year of 1949, on this day, 18 countries of the world recognized Indonesia. In the year of 1962, on this day, the Netherlands left the island of New Guinea in the southwest Pacific Ocean. In the year of 1964, on this day, Donald Campbell set the world record for the fastest speed in the water in his jet boat. In the year of 1965, on this day, B.P. Menon, an aide of Sardar Patel in the integration of Indian princely states, passed away. In the year of 1979, on this day, Ansu Jamsenpa, an Indian mountaineer, was born. She is the first female mountaineer in the world to climb Mount Everest twice in the same season. She has climbed Mount Everest 5 times. In the year of 1984, on this day, Rajiv Gandhi became the seventh Prime Minister of India. His term is 31 December 1984 to 2 December 1989 at the age of 40. Earlier, after the assassination of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi was made the Prime Minister from 31 October to 31 December 1984. In the year of 1999, on this day, on 24 December, Indian Airlines plane 814 was hijacked to Kandahar airport, Afghanistan, and 190 people were safely released on this day after India met the demand. The motive of the kidnapping was to release Maulana Masood Azhar, Mustaq Ahmad Zargar, and Ahmad Omar Said Sheikh, besides 35 jailed terrorists, and demand a ransom of $200 million. Masood Azhar had formed the terrorist organization Jaish-e-Mohammed in the year 2000. In the year of 2020, on this day, PM Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS Rajkot in Gujarat. In the year of 2020, on this day, Vinod Kumar Yadav, Chairman and CEO, Railway Board, was awarded the Distinguished Engineer Award for the year 2020. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Odisha state government had approved 12 new projects worth rupees 7 to 95.25 lakh in an effort to achieve sustainable agriculture and double the income of farmers. The projects have been taken up under a beneficial approach for the rejuvenation of the agriculture and allied sector. In the year of 2020, on this day, the tableau of Chhattisgarh was selected for the Republic Day parade for the second time in a row, leaving behind tableaux from major states including Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Telangana, Rajasthan, and Bihar. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.